Canva. So Canva is a digital product out there. Actually, it helps you build digital products like thumbnails, YouTube intros, digital marketing, templates, whatever. You want to build a logo? You want to make a logo for your business? Or maybe you want to start a business making logos for other people. There's no way there's one program that you can do all that and plus start a side business? No. Yes, there is. Check it out. Alright guys, welcome to Canva. This product, I tell you, I wish I would have found it a long time ago in my YouTube journey, social media journey. Because my thumbnails, I admit, are horrible. I don't have that eye for design. It's just, I'm not gifted with that. I did have a t-shirt business a while back, years ago, and I just wasn't really good at being creative for other people. And honestly, I didn't even like my own stuff. That isn't the only reason why I shut down business, but it would have helped a lot more if I would have had that eye for design. Products like this would really make that simple if you were even doing a t-shirt business. This product right here would definitely help you out. It even has t-shirt design areas in here that you can do designs, put them on t-shirts, and you can even print a t-shirt out for you. But what I want to talk about here is pretty much the rest of the tools, like your digital designs for social media. Listen, guys, there's businesses, all they do is design for other people. I know that you've seen it. Let's go right over here to Fiverr. Now, Fiverr is a website you can go to, and you can have people design products for you, digital products for you, and pay for it, $5, $10 and up, you know. So there's just so much here, right? So if you want somebody to do a logo for you, then you go right in there, type in logo, and you get a bunch of people selling their service. So what I like about Canva is you can do what these people are doing. I mean, literally, if you want to design a logo for somebody, all you have to do is find out get a general idea of what they want, the name of their business or whatever they are trying to get a logo for. Go right over here to your logo on the left hand side here. You have all these templates. I mean, there you go. Let's click on this one. All right, depending on what business they are, maybe they're like a t-shirt business that has something to do with hiking and fitness. Well, here you go. So all you need to do fitness free. That's what my family called me sometimes. Okay, so you go in here, fitness free sports apparel. Okay, so now you have the general idea. So a lot of times on Canva, or actually on Fiverr, they'll give you 3 or 4 different options. So what you would do is go ahead and say, here's one, right? You like it, you download it, okay? So you have that download. Now you want to give them a couple more options. So go back over here to the different templates and click on something else. All right. So this is actual video. So you can do like I said, you can do video stuff with people too. Keep going through till you see something that looks cool. All right, you can so this label in here, so delete that. You throw that in there. Okay, so you can download that. Okay, and then you kind of find something else. Boom. So try not to overthink things, because it's really hard to know what's going on in somebody's brain. Like me, I'm horrible at making decisions on designs. So just get 3. They got their options. They pick one. They maybe want a different color or something like that. You do a quick edit. So yeah, go ahead and click this. Go right over here to edit image, or go over here to colors and change the color. So it's that easy. Or you can ask them what colors they would like on order. So that's all the stuff that you would do on Fiverr or any other platform that you'd want to market your digital design. But in here is just so much digital marketing, social media marketing. Okay. Say you want to do YouTube intros. So go on here on Fiverr, create your account, and promote YouTube intros. So right over here on the top, just type in YouTube intros, click on here, and let's see what they have. Okay, so they got a bunch of different sellers here selling their YouTube intros. Go ahead and click on it. They got little examples going on. Cool, catchy, right? So they're selling these for $15, but there's always upsells. So we go over here to Canva, and let's look for video intros. Let's just type it in and see. So all you would do is the same as when you're creating something, the thumbnail, is you get a intro that looks, kind of like what you want. Let's go over here to a fitness one. Let's keep on this fitness freak. So as you can tell, go ahead and play it right here. You can watch. Okay, so you can go in here and do a little editing. See how it works? It just puts in the wording. There you go. So there is hundreds of different templates you can use. And you can use these templates to create your own business online. Good side hustle. Am I wrong? Let's go to print products. Right here. You want to design your own cards? Same thing. Click on something that you like. Change the wording. And there you go. Alright, so if you're a house cleaner, or you want to do something for a house cleaner, there you go. Put your name in there, you got a car. So, and then the back side, you got all your information. So that's pretty much it. It's plain, it's simple. It's easy. Look, if you want to do graphics for book covers, add that to your services. Create book covers. There you go. Tons of book covers you can edit, customize to your customers' needs. Or yours. I know I'm talking a lot about building a business off of it, but if you have a business, then no more will you have to hire people to do the work for you. So you can tell, I'm on here. But you can get going on this right away. When it comes to marketing, when it comes to digital design, when it comes to even video editing, this thing does it all. Now, I'm recommending this product because I use it. And you know, I only recommend what I use or what I love. I told you. I know. You want to send me money? Don't worry about it. There's a link below. Go ahead and hit that link. It'll take you to a page where you can go ahead and get a free trial using this product. Actually, it's a free product. If you want to get some of the better features, then you have to pay. Become a pro. That's it, guys. If you made it to the end, then thank you very much. I'll see you next time.
Think I finally found a better way. Think I finally found a better way. Think I finally found a better way. Think I finally found a better way.